Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I want to show you how to cook oyster and clam in the microwave oven. As I did here, I just get those 1 minute in the microwave oven and you can see they just pop up. I'm going to do the same thing with 6 oysters. Make sure they're about the same size. As you see, the clam itself, they always pop. So, you finish cutting them and open them, and they are barely cooked, just the way I like them. Hot. I mean, you can put them another quarter of another 15 seconds or so. This is always something that you have to contend with when you have a microwave oven. I don't find one which work out the same. So you have to fool around. You may need a little more or a little less in your microwave than me. So here, I'm going to open those here, and I get them loose, ready to be eaten. Those are, well, top clam, cherry stone type, the size. They are a little bigger than little neck, certainly. Okay. Now, conventionally, what you do, you open them, take them out of the shell, get them with the juice to poach them for a minute or so. It cooks very fast. When you do a clam chowder, you do the opposite. You cook them a long, long time, then they are tender. If you go them in between, then they are tough. So you have to be careful. And as you can see here, those do not pop open. Sometimes they do, but they are hot. So you have to open them like you do, but to open oyster is pretty hard and tricky. But when they are done like this, then they will open up very easily, because they are cooked. So if you leave them much longer, then they will pop open, but they will be too cooked. So this is 1 minute. And as you see, I go to the end like that, just barely. I always try to do all of them this way. You can see. Okay. Then I go with my knife, like the other one, now in the hole. You can see they are whitish, just, as I say, about cooked. 1 minute. Now I get them loose all the time. They are just warm and just cooked the right way for me. This one has a lot of juice, so I may put them on another plate. And sometime I do a cocktail with this ice cold vodka, clam juice, or oyster juice. Delicious. And now we do a sauce. The oyster here, I'm gonna put lime juice. Have about, a good teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons lime juice, a couple of tablespoons of butter. I put that butter in the microwave oven for 30 seconds. Mix together here. Pepper. And I'm going to put some chives in there, like a good tablespoon of it too. This is for my oyster. That's it. 6 oysters on order. Here we are. Now, for the clam, I'm going to put a little bit of hot sriracha sauce in there with the butter, like half a teaspoon, and maybe a good teaspoon of of horseradish. Oh, I have too much sauce here. Okay, maybe you want a little bit of chives on top. And here it is, my cooked clam and oyster in the microwave oven. Easy, delicious. Happy cooking.